Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set device type for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE2 on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the second line we have a button what called device type, so we need to tap on it. And right here select headphone. This is the second line. Now we can go back and as you can see we change it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!